Namaste and pranams to everybody, all the great souls today morning. My gratitude to uh, SVB sir and Karthikeyan sir for introducing this wonderful meditation program for me. Thank you, Chandra, my master, and all the team in Buddha CEO and Pramit Valley for making our souls better souls this time, especially. When looking back one's life, always, everybody rewind and look at it, what is happening and what is going to happen. What is going to happen is not going to be your control, and what has happened to look into it and connect the dots. What we learned is, you connect your dots, the history of your life. You can learn and unlearn many things. And generally, of this, there is a boon and ban in the latest technology and also in COVID times. We tend to collect a lot of trash in our mind, and you can see in our own cell phones, we can receive a lot of WhatsApp messages. At most more than 60-70% are trash, which may be no use to us. It's all diverting our attention and changes our focus. What I learned from a 40 days session last time I attended, and also a 3 days vigorous session on manifestation. This has changes my life a lot, both the approach to his life, approach to others, and even to animals. I started enjoying the nature more and more than before. And I personally, I don't like dogs. Actually, I get irritated. But recently, I started liking dogs after this meditation program and showing my love to affection to others. My listening capacity has improved a lot. So I don't have any preconceived idea before talking to a person. Little openness in listening to a person, what he is trying to say. And I could see that in the last 15-20 days, there is a lot of changes in me or to the people who I'm dealing with them. The people who I'm dealing with them have become very, open to me, and then trying to express what they want to express. Before they shut up their mind or whatever they want to say, because I'm always busy and angry. I am proud to say that I'm a self-made man. I came from a humble agriculture family in a village, and a self-made man, I can say, self-made man. This meditation, actually, I have done meditation long back during the younger days, about 40 years before, and for very short times. And I always looking for a guru, and I always looking for how to do meditation. Imagine what all of us is so lucky that today this technology and Mr. Chandra's beautiful sessions is making us know to learn what we have to learn in life. And it is actually, we cannot all, 600, 700 people of us cannot go and sit in one place in Bangalore or wherever. Chandra cannot come, and we cannot do all this. But this is a golden opportunity. This COVID has really helped us in other way. Let us take it positive and improve our souls and minds. I used to tell, even my friends and everybody, our mind is full of messages and memories, which is required, and some are not required. So last 15-20 days after the meditation program, I'm enjoying like anything. That's why I joined the second session also. Even I joined the second session in the morning, and evening I do by myself with the recording what Chandra has, is there. That message I spent for about an hour meditating in the evening. It is wonderful experience. Very nice, deep sleep, clear and nice thoughts. And I'm showing my love and affection to everybody, whoever it is, my family, or even to other animals, my colleagues, everybody. So this helps for a better communication between people and harmony among everybody. This is great feeling. I don't know why I have missed this for so many years. And one of my friend, Dr. Bala, I think he's here in the session. He's a great meditator. He used to tell me about this for very many years before. And I used to wonder that how to go and what to go host my master, things like that. I must show my fullest gratitude to Mr. Karthikeyan and Mr. SVB sir to introduce in this session. and all my family and everybody is doing now. My colleagues also attending this program, and my friends are attending this program. It is a great, great manifestation. And in my health-wise, personally, I am a diabetic patient, and my requirement of insulin is dropping down almost 25% in this last 1 month. It is amazing effect. Amazing effect. It is. They used to say that diabetics once comes, you cannot, get back to normal life, and you cannot avoid insulin, things like that. But to my surprise, I started reducing my insulin and monitoring my blood glucose level, and I am bringing it down. I had a session with Mr. Chandra on manifestation. In my goal setting, I want to give up my medication completely in next 3 to 4 months. I'm sure I'll achieve this by doing sincere to my meditation program. I am really, really grateful to all of you for joining this session. And I also personally request you, it costs nothing. It costs, no time. Bring in more people. Give a gift. This is the best gift you can give to anybody, the meditation program. Taking it, if they come into the program and they enjoy, because it won't happen everything like a magic in a day or two or something like that. It has to be practiced. And all of us know, in the last match when Sachin Tendulkar played, the previous day, he practiced for 5 hours. Tomorrow he's going to quit, but he practiced 5 hours before that match. So like that, we should have a sincerity and, commitment to this meditation program. And you will definitely enjoy, you manifest, you change a lot in your life. It is too good for yourself first and for your lovely friends and families. This is more important. I believe that whole family and city and town and the whole universe will manifest in a nice way and live in a good harmony. This is my prayers and my simple message to all of you. But still, I'm a beginner. I have to practice a lot. So thank you so much for this opportunity.